got the lesbians. I'm gonna put them in the freezer. The white lesbian versus regular lesbian review. Anyway, I just came home and I'm absolutely starving. Clearly that sushi lunch did not sustain me. I haven't had this for a long time. Bangers and mash microwave meal. Sausage on top like that. Put the peas, gravy. There's gravy, it's got onions in it. This is my dinner. Also, thank you guys. My Instagram story is a clue for dessert. However, don't get excited, it's not from that shot. I just had too many cakes in my hand, so that shot on my Instagram is gonna be soon. I have something else for dessert later. I'm so excited. How's your day, guys? And what have you eaten today? Honestly, 4 bangers and mash is not bad, you know? £3, 5 minutes in the microwave. The sausages are obviously not like Cumberland sausages, but this will do the trick. Guys, I don't know why I was so hungry. Even on the tube ride home, I was just like, I need food. I was considering whether or not to have the cake first. I'm really excited for dessert. I feel like the mash can do with a little bit more flavour. Because I had so many pieces of sushi at lunchtime, I didn't think I'd be this starving. What's the last microwave meal you guys ate? Let's get all the gravy. Yeah, I've just now made a mess. I was gonna make extra gravy because I thought I might need it, and I think I could have done with it. However, I didn't get a microwave meal to be doing extra, you know? Already the peas were extra. That was severely satisfying. Anyway, guys, it is time for dessert next. I'll see you then. Peace.